So the first step to getting the best possible quality from After Effects is to open up the render settings. Make sure the setting named quality is set to best and the setting called resolution is set to full. Click OK. Next, click on Output module. Set the format to QuickTime. And then click on Format Options and set the video codec to Apple ProRes 422HQ. Click OK. Make sure the channels is set to RGB and then close down this window. So we're not done yet because the file you're about to export will be quite large due to the settings we just used. So in order for us to compress its size a little bit for YouTube and TikTok, etc., we need to open up the Media Encoder app. Click on File, Add Source, and then import the file you just exported from After Effects. And now open up the settings and set the format to H264. Match source for the preset and make sure to check this box for maximum render quality. Now click on the render button. And the reason we did this is simple. We exported our footage from After Effects in high quality first, so then we can safely compress it later with the Media Encoder app without damaging the final result. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial and maybe click on the hype button if you feel like it.